So now you want to put this plate in. Okay, so since this is up front,
Sure.
you want that to go forward, so you stick that down in there.
Aha.
And it gets in the trap, you move it up.
Okay. So I need to carry a screwdriver with me.
Yep. And then, so what you want to do is figure out where you want this fin. If you're going single,
I'm going to go single to start with.
Let's just start in the middle of the box.
Okay.
And if you want to loosen it up, you go forward. I put a small box. I didn't want a big ass box in there because I think you're going to find that point.
Right.
So then you just push that down.
But if I want to get looser, you're saying slide it upward. I'll get.
Yeah, it'll give you. I mean, you in a 1/4 inch, you'll notice the difference. You should.
Okay.
So you've got an inch, an inch here, half, 3/4 inch there.
Right.
So
the different.
So then you want to line that up.
And you can see that guy in there. Okay, so you have to toy with it a little bit.
Yeah, you want to line it up. So when you push it underneath there, you want to be looking through that hole.
Okay, I see. Gotcha. So you had to slide it forward, and that seems like it's up a little bit.
Yeah, it'll suck it down.
Okay.
Maybe we gotta go down more. You got it? Yeah.
I think you're right. There it goes.
Let's do this. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.